The MV-22B Osprey is a one-of-a-kind aircraft, combining the vertical lift capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing airplane. Developed by Bell Helicopter and Boeing, the Osprey was created to meet the U.S. military's need for a versatile transport aircraft that could take off and land vertically like a helicopter but fly faster and farther like a conventional plane. Since its introduction, the MV-22B has transformed military operations, especially in missions requiring troop transport, logistics, and special operations in difficult-to-reach areas. The development of the MV-22B Osprey began in the 1980s as part of the U.S. military's efforts to replace aging helicopters like the CH-46C Knight. The U.S. Navy and Marine Corps needed an aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing VTOL as well as short takeoff and landing STOL, but with greater range and speed than conventional helicopters. After overcoming numerous technical challenges, including several early accidents, the MV-22B was officially introduced to the U.S. Marine Corps in 2007. It has since become an integral part of U.S. military operations, especially for the Marine Corps and the Special Operations Command, and has been deployed in combat zones like Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria. Design and specifications. The MV-22B Osprey's most distinctive feature is its tiltrotor design. It is equipped with two large propellers mounted on rotating nacelles at the ends of its wings. When the propellers are in the vertical position, the Osprey operates like a helicopter, capable of vertical takeoff and landing. Once airborne, the nacelles rotate forward, transforming the aircraft into a high-speed fixed-wing plane. This dual-mode capability gives the MV-22B a unique combination of speed, range, and flexibility. In airplane mode, it can reach speeds of up to 509 km/h, 275 knots, and travel over 1,600 kilometers, approximately 879 non-nautical miles, with a full fuel load, far surpassing the performance of traditional helicopters. Specifications of the MV-22B Osprey include maximum speed, 509 km/h, 275 knots, operational range, 1,628 km, 879 nautical miles with internal fuel, payload capacity, up to 24 troops or approximately 9,070 kg, 20,000 lbs of external cargo. Armament. Optional machine guns, including M240 or GAZ-17 for self-defense. Engines. Two Rolls-Royce A1107C turboshaft engines. Capabilities and roles. The MV-22B Osprey plays a critical role in several types of military operations, including troop transport, medical evacuation, search and rescue, and humanitarian missions. It excels in amphibious operations, where it can quickly transport troops from a naval ship to shore. Even in challenging terrain, its ability to take off and land vertically allows it to access tight spaces like landing zones in dense urban environments or rugged mountain ranges. One of the MV-22B's most important roles is providing rapid mobility for Marine Expeditionary Forces. It can transport Marines from ship to shore much faster than conventional helicopters, allowing for more dynamic and effective assaults during amphibious operations. The Osprey is also crucial in special operations missions, where it can rapidly insert and extract small teams in hostile or remote areas. Furthermore, the MV-22B is equipped for in-flight refueling, further extending its operational range and enabling long-distance missions, such as infiltrating deep behind enemy lines for covert operations. Advantages. Versatility. The MV-22B's ability to switch between helicopter and airplane modes allows it to carry out a wide range of missions that require both vertical lift and high-speed flight. Speed and range. With a top speed of 509 km/h and an extended range, the Osprey significantly improves the rapid deployment of troops and supplies over long distances. Increased lift capacity. The aircraft can carry more personnel and equipment than most helicopters, reducing the number of sorties needed to support a mission. Operational flexibility. Its VTOL capability allows it to land in areas inaccessible to fixed-wing aircraft, making it invaluable in austere environments or in the aftermath of natural disasters. Disadvantages. High costs. The MV-22B Osprey is an expensive aircraft to produce and maintain, with each unit costing approximately $70 million. Its complex tilt-rotor mechanism requires extensive maintenance to ensure operational safety. Weather vulnerabilities. Although designed for diverse conditions, the Osprey's performance can be impacted by adverse weather, such as high winds or extreme temperatures. Safety concerns. During its early years, the Osprey suffered several high-profile crashes, raising concerns about its safety. Though improvements have been made, these incidents have left a lasting impression on its reputation. The MV-22B Osprey has been extensively deployed in various combat and non-combat operations around the world. It first saw combat in Iraq in the late 2000s, where it provided a critical advantage in moving troops and equipment quickly across vast, often hostile terrain. In Afghanistan, it was used for similar purposes, delivering special forces into high-risk areas, performing medical evacuations, and supporting logistics for forward operating bases. The Osprey has also played an essential role in humanitarian missions. Its speed and VTOL capability make it an ideal platform for delivering aid to areas affected by natural disasters, such as hurricanes and earthquakes. For example, the MV-22B was used during relief efforts following the 2010 Haiti earthquake, quickly transporting medical supplies and personnel to areas that were otherwise inaccessible. In special operations, the MV-22B has become a go-to platform for quick reaction forces capable of infiltrating and exfiltrating teams in hostile environments. Its ability to travel longer distances at higher speeds than helicopters while still landing in confined spaces has made it a critical asset in clandestine operations, where speed and surprise are key. The MV-22B Osprey will continue to be a cornerstone of US military air mobility for years to come. Ongoing upgrades include improvements to its avionics, flight control systems, and defensive measures to keep the aircraft at the cutting edge of aviation technology. One significant future development is the possibility of further integration with unmanned aerial systems UAS. By working in conjunction with drones, the Osprey could enhance situational awareness and survivability in combat environments, making it even more effective in future operations. Additionally, other branches of the US military, as well as allied nations like Japan, have adopted the Osprey for their own operations, signaling its expanding global footprint. The MV-22B Osprey is a revolutionary aircraft that has redefined modern military transport. With its unique tilt-rotor design, it brings unmatched speed, range, and versatility to the battlefield, allowing for more dynamic and efficient operations in a wide variety of environments. While it faced challenges in its early years, the Osprey has proven itself as an indispensable asset for the US Marine Corps and other military branches, playing a vital role in both combat and humanitarian missions.